Hiya, I'm back in Old Swan in the Liverpool city centre. I'm at that charity shop I only discovered the other week, so let's go and have a look.
I won't be right back now.
Sofa for £50. That's some good nick as well. Lots of rails of clothes. Not looking at clothes today. There's some stuff in the window. Big, large, pretty pink booth. That's lovely. A big blue sofa. £80, delivery from 20. That's lovely, isn't it? There's another one. A big ginormous mirror, very ornate. Men's clothes. Men's clothes. Wicker basket. Is that £2? There you go, I'll do for me crafting.
No, I'm gonna pay for it.
Looks like a kit. One's acrylic. Been spoken to the shop having real wool on. Toiletries. I don't like paying on toiletries, they don't have to be opened or metal. Oh, look at those bouquets. £2. Oh, I'm having them. I've only been in the shop a minute and I bought off the shop. Could I be cheeky and stash them behind the counter because I'm still looking round? Is that okay? Oh, thanks ever so much, thank you. I've just got weak and feeble hands, are pathetic. Got arthritis in my fingers so I can't carry stuff for ages. It's Easter stuff. Christmas stockies. Is there anything you want?
Thank you.
Pound. That's nice stuff.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Go like this. I need to do 2 big sprays.
Jewellery sets for £4.
She's planning to go to the para.
Lacy blankets. Let's see what else we come across. Loads of Barbie dolls for £2.
Entonces es para el gatito.
I remember them Eternal Bow out in the 80s. Iron Man. It's a bed bay. 25. Oh, look at that, isn't that so pretty? Very 70s. £50. And it comes with the mirror as well. That's lovely. That's with mine one's walnut, 1930s. It's definitely 70s. So pretty. So, sofa and 2 chairs with rooms. If you're setting up home, that's in lovely condition. Lovely big beige sofa. And that's a good price, that. Looks like an IKEA unit. Junk on top. £3. Loads more clothes, as you can see. Great for clothes if that's what you're looking for. There's a unit that goes with that other unit. I like the big pretty junk, I just think. £5. It's lovely. Oh, it's for next as well. It's lovely, that. Desk or console table with £30. And a nice big oak sideboard here on 20. I think it's one of those ones where it's a combination of wood and laminate. Another sofa. Sofa, 2 chairs, 120. That's good, that isn't it? A leather sofa. 120. So if you were broke, you could easily set over from there. There's a cot bed as well. Cot. It's £40. That's good one. Oh, there's cushions over there. A loads of red blinds there, £8 each. And red look. Loads of bits for that. £3 if you're on Lion. Another sofa. £50. Table and chairs there. £40. You could paint the chairs then, you could have a table. Nice and black one, because it's rattan. Big pine bed, and it's £50. Red sofa still here from last time. More red rugs and red cushions over there. Table for 10. Sand that down. Good. Okay, so it's laminate. It's got other stuff there in wood. leather chair, tenner. That's good then. Because you can get leather dye now, can't you? But stain there. A sofa for 20 quid. How good's that? £20 for a sofa. I think this is like the sale corner. Wardrobe still here. And the sofa for 20. It's easy, this one. Oh, a dresser. Glass bit at the top. 30 quid. That's good that. I was setting up home like get that because it'd be a freestanding kitchen rather than getting everything fitted. Chair, 30, 40. The dresser and the dressing table we saw before. Some chairs, loads of books. £1 each, paperbacks 50p each. Sofa for £20, a blue one. For 3. Those pink chairs were here last time. Tables and chairs. Lots of 60s, 70s type units. For 30 quid. Bad. It's like my childhood revisited that. Just a drawers. Another desk there, bureau. It's even got the little drawer in. And the dressing table there. 50s one. That's 30 quid. Big mirror. Oh, just spotted some wood. £1 each. Let's put my glasses on, I can't see. Acrylic wool mix. I'll leave that today. Cedar. There's a leather sofa there. 100 quid. That's fair dues for a big leather sofa. It's a mid-century type, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to get that float for the bathroom. The candles in. £1. So I'm going to go pay for my stuff now. Bye for now.